There you go, guys. Tour's over. Hop off.
Okay.
Thanks for your $60. So we're coming into Cassowary country here, guys. You would have seen that Cassowary cruiser around here just a minute ago. So they are the world's deadliest bird, guys. So they've killed 2 people in Australia. So don't get close to them and do selfies and stupid things like that, because they've got a velociraptor claw and they'll jump up at you and scratch your stomach open and your stomach will drop to the ground. So that's what happened to the last 2. So they've got a big rock on their head, so they're basically a prehistoric bird, guys. They go back 60 million years. So they're the last living dinosaur on planet Earth. So a lot of people say there's no dinosaurs left. That's rubbish. That's one of them right there. You just saw it before. The females actually do not look after the chicks, so they'll lay their eggs and take off and find a new mate. But the males look after the chicks, guys, so they rear their young. So no child support for the male, is there? 0. So this tree here is a pink corkwood. The flowers are pink, the trunk is cork. So it's basically the food source for the blue Ulysses butterfly that you might see in the rainforest today. It's grown by the Bag Corporation throughout Queensland for its medicinal purpose, for its leaf. So medication for eye drops, heart medication, analgesics. The colourful butterfly here is a Cairns birdwing butterfly. It's very rare in the rainforest due to that plant over there. It's poisonous, so as soon as a butterfly, the Cairns birdwing, eats that leaf over there, the the lochia vine or Dutchman pipe vine, the butterfly becomes poisonous to predation. So the caterpillar, when it's growing, it basically secretes an orange liquid, and it'll kill anything it tastes. So it kills birds, eggs, all that sort of stuff. So I'll head off into the rainforest, eh? Celebrates the rainforest about 1.5 metres of ground annually a year. Very dense canopy, very shallow root system of plants and trees, and very fertile soils. The seeds get washed a lot with heavy rains, which start on the 1st December and even April. So this tree here, guys, is Australian black water. It's a hybrid species. Aboriginal people use that to make their didgeridoo. There's a termite activity hole at the softest part of the log, and they'll put hot coals in there to make the didgeridoo. You hear it right now playing. They also make all the weapons from the same timber. The clubs, spears, blades.